Become a millionaire real estate investor by checking out this beginner's guide. There's one thing that a real estate investor needs to know to create an empire in real estate. Stay tuned. Liew here, author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investing. And today we're going to look at the beginner's guide so you can get started in real estate and create an empire in commercial or residential real estate from this video today. So the first three things I want to mention is that real estate's tangible. Low point of entry. Millionaires. That's right. Millionaires. 9 out of 10 millionaires are in real estate. And the tax benefits from real estate investing, you must follow the steps of this beginner's guide, which I am going to outline right now. The first thing you want to do, guys, is thank God for Google. I didn't have Google. Type in real estate investing and learn a little bit about it. Just do some general research to find out, do I want to get into real estate investing, right? Set your goals, set your investment criteria, and become a millionaire in real estate. That's right. You always hear people say it. Write down your goals. Write down what your goal is, when you're going to get it, put down a date and time, and write down 3 action steps. And do that right now. Stop waiting. Or you may have paralysis analysis, or it may be mental masturbation. Whatever it is, just stop and get started now. Learn today how to write your first letter of intent. I wrote my first one on a napkin. That's like how much it cost, when you're going to close, what the deposit is, exchange a couple bucks, and get control of that first property. So why are you doing this? It's to generate cash flow and to grow your portfolio, right? So that's where, I didn't mean to get so excited and jump over the mic there, but that's where you may want to call on me to show you what's the quickest way, right? Remember, everybody has a value. You can spend 100 hours trying to figure it out, or you can make a call and figure it out in a couple hours. You got to figure out what is your time worth, and do you want to learn how to grow your portfolio? Trade up to larger properties, add a zero, and keep on growing, baby. That's right. Stick to what you know, learn what you don't know, and bring people around you that are better than yourself. And realize, teamwork, dream team, a dissemination of the plan that we talked about originally, and then taking action. Don't create this and turn it into a rocket science. Keep it simple. Keep it stupid simple. This is real estate. People do real estate with no formal education. You just have to learn the steps and follow the steps, measure as I always talk about in numerous videos, and get started today. Hey guys, 11millionairesecrets.com shows you how I learned my first million and how you can earn your first million. And guys, I'm really excited, ladies and gentlemen, that you now have a little bit of a beginner's guide to get started. There's no more excuses. You have information on how to get in touch with me. That's kenvanliew.com. Don't forget, beginner's guide really comes down to mindset, taking action, and follow directions. Make sure you're coachable, and it's really that simple. One last thing, make it a great day.